Yo, what's good? So I'm gonna tell you real quick on how to journal. Okay, all this stuff I didn't create. I kind of tweaked it from mentors and from Grok AI helped me out. It's pretty good. I've been tweaking it ever since. I change it ever so often, and I add stuff. I take stuff out, whatever, whatever. So I'm gonna put this in the description, and you can copy and paste. You don't have to do it on TradeZella. TradeZilla is dope. I'm not sponsored or anything, but this is a pretty cool fucking thing because I can check all kinds of little stuff, right? So going back to my day today, I open this up. I have templates here for the weekly and the daily. Okay, so my daily, I do this. I do a pre-market routine check. I make sure I do all this before I even. Well, I sit down. I don't. I might not do push-ups. I might not do the hygiene. I might not do this where I sit down before I see the charts, but I do it before I trade for sure. So in the morning, have a routine. I write how I'm feeling of yesterday. I visualize winning. Take a step back. Then I have a multi-time frame check. So I check 1 hour, 30 minutes. I do the day and the week. I don't have it here. I just add it in the 1 hour. Then I use this to find my bias. I check it off to make sure that I checked it off and did it, right? So I change that. Then I write down the bias. Okay. So I think the market is going to go short because the higher time frames looking bearish, yada, 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 right? So I set this there because I can come back and remember what I wrote before I started. So 8 a.m. to 8:30, I'm already checking the market. I'm doing my routine at 8, checking 8:30, doing seeing what the market's doing, checking news. News is a big one. Economic data scan right there. Incorporating that, maybe waiting. Oh, there's news at 10. Okay, I'm gonna wait to trade either right before 10 if the market's like kind of chill, or wait till 10 if I see a crazy spikes in the market. Then I don't trade till like half hour or let it just settle down and let the big dogs step in. You know what I mean? Then once I'm finished, hopefully it's a winning day, or if it's a losing day, both I am going to learn. So I write down a quick reflection, yada, yada, yada. Sometimes I might not fill this out till later, but I do like to fill this out right away, right when I'm done. I might finish at 10, I might finish at 9:30, I might finish at 11. I don't trade after 11:30 really too much. Sometimes it's rare, but my sweet spot is around this area. So then I do an end of day recap, reinforcing habits, following game plan, risk management, doing all that stuff. Then I do a what did I learn that will make me a stronger trader? I go back to this, the first thoughts, and then I kind of reflect, take a walk. I do other stuff, right? And then I come back to this to kind of reevaluate and not check this with emotions. So I see the market doing this tomorrow, and I'm going to work on my hesitation. I'm going to work on cutting the risks quickly, cutting the not tweaking out on the footprint chart, whatever it is. You write here. Be truthful with yourself because you're just gonna read this. This is my template, but you can use it. So then I do a daily mastery check. I just check, did I do this? Did I do that? Did I focus on my process for long term consistency? Was I confident in my edge due to solid preparation? Did I treat the market as neutral, not an adversary? This is a big one, bro. The market does not care about your $100,000. There's big players doing $1 million plays. You know what I mean? Your brokerage is not against you, bro. Just study your trades. So then I go check this off, go recheck it, and redo this. So ever since I started journaling, my trades have gotten better because I learn and I see that things are better. You gotta journal. You gotta journal, bro.